Deep beneath the windswept waves of the Caspian Sea lies a treasure trove of energy, the Kashagan oil field. Discovered in the year 2000, it quickly became known as one of the largest oil discoveries in decades. This underwater giant, located off the coast of Kazakhstan, promised to reshape the global energy landscape. The Caspian Sea, despite its name, is actually the largest lake on Earth. It is landlocked, bordered by Kazakhstan, Russia, Azerbaijan, Iran and Turkmenistan. These nations have long known of the energy potential hidden beneath the Caspian's waves. The discovery of Kashagan, however, dwarfed all previous finds in the region. It ignited a frenzy of excitement and competition among the world's energy giants. Here was a chance to tap into a resource that could fuel the planet for years to come. News of Kashagan spread quickly through the boardrooms of multinational oil corporations. The initial estimates were staggering. The field was thought to hold as much as 38 billion barrels of oil. This made it larger than the oil reserves of most OPEC nations. Western energy giants like ExxonMobil, Shell and ENI formed a consortium. They joined forces with Kazakh national oil company Kasmunagas to exploit this underwater bonanza. The project, however, was not going to be easy. Kashagan presented a unique set of engineering and logistical challenges. The Caspian Sea is notoriously volatile, prone to fierce storms and harsh winters. Its shallow waters would freeze over for months on end. Undeterred, the consortium pushed forward, investing billions of dollars in cutting-edge technology and infrastructure. They were determined to overcome whatever obstacles nature threw their way. Extracting oil from the Kashagan field was akin to performing open-heart surgery in the middle of a hurricane. The Caspian Sea, despite its serene appearance, proved to be a formidable adversary. The shallow waters, averaging only 10 to 20 meters deep, were susceptible to extreme temperature fluctuations. They would freeze solid during the harsh winters, creating massive ice flows that could crush even the sturdiest of structures. Adding to the challenges, the sea floor beneath Kashagan was riddled with geological faults. These faults released highly pressurized hydrogen sulfide gas, a substance both toxic and corrosive. Safety concerns for workers and the environment were paramount. The consortium found themselves in a constant battle against the elements. Delays mounted, costs spiraled, and frustration grew. Years turned into a decade, and the dream of a quick and profitable return on investment at Kashagan began to fade. The technical challenges proved more daunting, and the price tag for the project continued to escalate. By the mid-2010s, the initial enthusiasm had waned. Several of the Western companies in the consortium began to have second thoughts. The risks, it seemed, were beginning to outweigh the potential rewards. Citing concerns over escalating costs, safety issues, and the complex geopolitical landscape, some of the original investors decided to cut their losses. They began to divest from Kashagan, selling off their stakes in the project. The withdrawal of these industry giants dealt a major blow to the project. It raised serious doubts about the long-term viability of Kashagan. Was this underwater giant simply too challenging, too costly, too risky to tame? To Section 5. A dragon enters the fray. As the Western oil giants retreated from Kashagan, a new player emerged, eager to take on the challenged China National Petroleum Corporation, or CNPC, a state-owned energy behemoth with deep pockets and a thirst for securing energy resources. CNPC's entry into Kashagan was met with a mixture of curiosity and skepticism. Some questioned whether a company with limited experience in such complex offshore projects could succeed where others had stumbled. However, CNPC was undeterred. It saw Kashagan not just as an energy investment, but also as a strategic opportunity to expand its global influence. It was a chance to demonstrate China's growing technological prowess on the world stage. With a combination of financial muscle and engineering ingenuity, CNPC set about to revive the flagging Kashagan project. Section 6. Taming the Wild Kashagan. CNPC brought a fresh perspective and a different approach to Kashagan. It implemented stricter safety protocols, streamlined operations, and fostered closer collaboration between Chinese and Kazakh engineers. The company invested heavily in new technologies specifically designed to withstand the harsh Caspian environment. This included ice-resistant platforms, advanced drilling techniques, and sophisticated pipeline systems designed to handle the corrosive hydrogen sulfide gas. Gradually, under CNPC's leadership, the tide began to turn. Production, which had been plagued by delays and setbacks, slowly but steadily increased. The Kashagan dragon, once thought to be untamable, was finally showing signs of being tamed. Section 7. Shifting Sands of Power. CNPC's success in getting Kashagan up and running sent ripples throughout the global energy market. It signaled the rise of China as a major player in the oil and gas industry, willing to take on high-risk, high-reward projects that others were hesitant to touch. The Kashagan project became a powerful symbol of China's growing global influence. It demonstrated the country's ability to secure access to vital resources, even in the most challenging of environments. Moreover, China's involvement in Kashagan strengthened its ties with Kazakhstan, a country strategically located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. It was a testament to China's growing economic and political clout in Central Asia. Section 8. The Kashagan Gamble. The story of Kashagan is a reminder that even in the 21st century, the extraction of natural resources remains a complex and often unpredictable endeavor. It is a testament to human ingenuity, but also a cautionary tale about the risks and rewards of such ventures. While CNPC has managed to revive the project and bring it to a stage of relative stability, questions remain about its long-term viability. The price of oil, the global demand for fossil fuels, and the geopolitical landscape are all constantly shifting variables. Only time will tell if Kashagan will ultimately live up to its initial promise as a game-changer in the global oil market. Section 9. A legacy yet to be written. The Kashagan oil field stands as a potent symbol of the challenges and opportunities that define our quest for energy in the 21st century. It is a story of human ambition, technological innovation, and the delicate balance between economic development and environmental stewardship. As production continues and China solidifies its role as a major player in the region, the world will be watching closely to see how this epic tale of energy, ambition, and geopolitics unfolds. The legacy of Kashagan, it seems, is still being written.